Tata Motors had recently unveiled the Tigor EV with Ziptron technology. Following the recent grand unveil, Tata Motors is all set to excite the electric vehicle market with the launch of the Tigor EV. Starting today, the Tigor EV deliveries will commence for the personal segment. Tata Motors launches the 2021 Tigor EV at Rs 11.99 lakh ex-showroom starting price. The electric compact sedan is offered in 3 variants and 2 color options with a maximum claimed driving range of 306 km. Tata Motors is offering the new Tigor EV in 3 variants: XZ, XM, XZ Plus, XZ Plus dual tone option available, which come with an 8-year and 1,60,000 km battery and motor warranty for the EV owners. The electric sedan uses a 26 kW lithium-ion battery pack paired to a 55 kW electric motor. This produces 74 bhp and 170 Nm of peak torque and is claimed to accelerate 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.7 seconds. The fast charging capability allows the battery to be charged from 0 to 80% in under 1 hour, while the regular 15A charger enables the car to be charged from 0 to 80% in 8.5 hours. The Tata Tigor EV comes with a claimed range of 306 km on a fully charged battery. The new Tigor EV is revamped with the new upholstery along with a beige and black theme. It also features contrast stitching on the seats, dashboard and door panels. Other features include 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, automatic climate control, ERA connected technology, 30 plus connected features, mobile charging ports, steering mounted controls, cruise control and 316-liter boot space. Moreover, it also delivers superior driving dynamics and balanced suspension for sharper handling. Other features include electrically adjustable and foldable ORVMs, smart key with push button start, portable charging cable, etc. Safety features in the new Tigor EV will be no different. It will most likely borrow all the safety features from its petrol powered counterpart. This includes dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, stability control, ISOFIX child seat anchors, corner stability control, hill ascent and descent assist, seat belt reminder. Following the footsteps of its ICE internal combustion engine sibling, the Tigor EV has also been lauded by GNCAP with a 4-star rating for adult and child occupant protection. Set to scale new heights in the dynamic world of electric mobility, the Tigor EV features Tata Motors' proprietary high-voltage EV architecture, Ziptron, and is built on the 3 strong pillars of technology, comfort, and safety. Let us know in the comment section what do you feel about this pricing, and also do not forget to share, like, and subscribe our channel Indian Drives. Indian Motorcycle, America's first motorcycle company, on the 100th anniversary of its debut, officially announced the launch of its new 2022 Chief lineup in India, combining iconic American V-twin style with modern performance and technology. Indian Motorcycle designed the new Chief with a simplistic and mechanical aesthetic that pays homage to the glory days of the American motorcycling. Indian Motorcycles has launched the 2022 Chief lineup in India at Rs 20.75 lakh ex-showroom starting price. The new lineup of Indian Chef motorcycle consists of 3 distinct variants, each aimed at people who have a different take on the American cruiser. The 3 variants under the new 2022 Indian Chief line are the Chief Dark Horse, Indian Chief Bobber Dark Horse and the Indian Super Chief. Out of these 3, the Chief Dark Horse is the simple looking one with stripped down riding experience. Then there is the Chief Bobber Dark Horse, which gives you the feel of the post-war era. And finally, the Super Chief with its few luxurious touches. Powering the new 2022 lineup of Indian Chief motorcycles is a 1890cc V-twin air-cooled Thunderstroke petrol motor with 162 Nm of torque at just 2900 rpm. And all this torque is sent to the rear wheels via a 6-speed gearbox. Indian Motorcycles says that its new 2022 Chief lineup has been designed to inspire confidence and approachable for any rider with a short wheelbase of 1626 mm, 662 mm seat height and a weight of just 304 kgs. Speaking about the feature list, the 2022 Indian Chief lineup comes with dual outboard preload adjustable rear shocks, dual exhaust, 15.1 liter fuel tank, LED lighting, keyless ignition, ride modes, and Pirelli Night Dragon tires. The ride modes include 3 different settings: Sport, Standard, and Tour. Each ride mode gives the powertrain a different character to suit the needs of the rider. Apart from this, in the 2022 Indian Chief lineup, ABS comes as standard across all variants, and so is the industry first 101 mm circular ride command system. According to Indian Motorcycles, the riders can easily navigate through the ride command system using grip controls, or through the touchscreen interface. If the rider connects his mobile to the ride command system via Bluetooth or USB, the rider can also access incoming calls, call history, contacts, number pad, or even text message and text message history. So guys, do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about this newly launched new 2022 Indian Chief lineup, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives. TVS Apache is one of the most successful bikes in the country. TVS Apache RR 310 newer version is introduced in the market with some cosmetic changes. TVS Motor Company launches the 2021 Apache RR 310 in India at Rs 2.59 lakh ex-showroom starting price. The new motorcycle features a host of changes and personalization options via the build-to-order process offered by the brand. The company has also announced that the bikes will be limited to 100 units for September and 150 units for the month of October. The booking amount will be equal to the configuration cost. The new Apache RR 310 features two performance kits called the Dynamic Kit and Race Kit. The company claims with the Race Kit upgrade, the motorcycle has 4.5 degrees of higher lean angle with the rider gripping the bike all times, which enables to push the bike around corners. Other updates include a new race muffler which has been raised to allow for higher lean angles and also features a racier exhaust note. The instrument cluster also features a couple of upgrades. This includes storage of digital docks, dynamic rev limit indicator, day trip meter, overspeed indication. The color of the rev limiter will change from blue to red nearing the limiter. The personalization also extends to the color scheme priced at Rs 4,500 for the motorcycle. However, choosing the red alloy wheels set you back by Rs 1,500. This color personalization includes TVS 1 Make Championship inspired graphics, alloy wheel color, personalized race number. The new motorcycle is also offered with a wave key for enhanced security, which can also be used for adjusting the suspension damping. Apart from the above mentioned upgrade, the rest of the bike remains the same. The new motorcycle will continue to use the 5-inch TFT color instrument console with TVS proprietary Smart Connect technology, multiple riding modes, throttle by wire, Bluetooth connectivity and glide through technology plus, among others. It continues to be powered by a 312cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. It produces a maximum of 33.5 bhp at 9,700 rpm and a peak torque of 27.3 Nm at 7,700 rpm. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a slip assist clutch. The Apache RR 310 continue to use the trellis frame. Braking is done via disc brake at both ends, supported by a dual channel ABS as standard. Royal Enfield has launched the 2021 Classic 350 in India at Rs 1.84 lakhs ex-showroom for the Red Edge models. Price goes up to Rs 2.15 lakh for the top spec chrome models. It is a brand new motorcycle with an all-new chassis, a brand new engine, a retro design and a refined riding experience. The all-new 2021 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is one of the most awaited motorcycle launches this year. Everything on this motorcycle is all new except for the iconic Classic nameplate. Even the Classic 350 logo has been redesigned to go with the new update. The 2021 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is available in multiple variants: Red Ditch, Helicon, Signals, Dark, Chrome. The design on the fuel tank has been retained and it looks rather classy. The new Classic 350 also comes with the trippier navigation system and this makes it look great. At the rear is a simple circular tail lamp flanked by the circular indicators. The motorcycle comes with halogen bulbs all around. The new Classic 350 is available in multiple color options. There is a long list of features on the new Royal Enfield Classic 350: analog, digital instrument cluster, tripper navigation system, double down tube frame, single dual channel ABS, contoured seats and auto headlamp on. The new Royal Enfield Classic 350 is powered by a 349cc single cylinder engine that puts out 20.2 bhp at 6,100 rpm and 27 Nm at 4,000 rpm. A 5-speed gearbox drives the rear wheel. It is a SOHC engine, which simply means it is more refined and nicer to ride. The Classic 350 is an icon of the modern motorcycling era. It is one of the Royal Enfield's best sellers, and now the next generation Classic 350 has been launched in India. Do let us know what are your thoughts about this relaunched next generation Classic 350 in the comment section, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives. Aprilia had earlier released the teaser of its 660cc bike named RS660. Aprilia has finally launched the bike in the Indian market. Aprilia launches the RS660 in India at Rs 13.39 lakh ex-showroom. The middleweight super sport motorcycle arrives as CBU, completely built up units, and is offered in 3 color options. Bookings for the same RS660 had begun back in February 2021. It comes in 3 color options: Acid Gold, Apex Black and Lava Red. The RS660 comes powered by a liquid-cooled DOHC parallel twin-cylinder 659cc engine paired to a 6-speed gearbox with a slip assist clutch and Aprilia's bi-directional quick shifter as standard. Maximum power 99 bhp at 10,500 rpm and peak torque of 67 Nm at 8,500 rpm. The Aprilia RS660 borrows its design inspiration from its bigger version, the RSV4. The motorcycle features an aggressive-looking full fairing and aero winglets as seen on the RSV4. The race spec style winglets will offer enhanced aerodynamic stability at high speeds. The RS660 also features the brand's signature 3-part headlight cluster as well. Other features include LED headlamps with LED DRLs, LED tail lamps, windscreen, underbelly exhaust, race spec handlebar and 15-liter fuel tank. The RS660 electronic rider aids are supported by a 6-axis IMU inertial measurement unit. It also features 5 ride modes, out of which 3 are dedicated to road riding and 2 for track use. The RS660 also features a 5-inch TFT split screen layout which will help control all the electronic aids on the motorcycle. The company is also offering an optional Aprilia MIA multimedia platform for connected technology via a smartphone application. The motorcycle features an aluminium dual beam chassis. The RS660 tips the scale at 185 kg curb with a seat height of 820 mm. Suspension front 41 mm Kayaba USD 4 rear monoshock unit. Both units are fully adjustable for compression, rebound and preload. The RS660 rivals the likes of Honda CBR 650R, the Kawasaki Ninja 650 and the Ninja ZX6R among others. Do let us know in the comment section what do you have to say about this newly launched Aprilia RS660. And also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.